Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, Wyckoff SMI.com, LearnCrypto.io. For this week's week in review for what we got here, we got May 5th, 2024. As you know, I've been staying somewhat bearish, looking for stocks to continue to work lower. In front of us, our Wyckoff wave. You can see here, really sideways last week, sell off early in the week, rally late in the week, off of really the Apple news of their huge buyback. Technometer down there lower right in the gold, 48.32. So I still think a little bit higher maybe early in the week, but I don't think stocks are really headed higher here. I think we're still locked into a correction. Our Wyckoff Wave new index obviously has Apple in there as a big component. That's what happened here with the strong performance. I'll get into Apple here in a little bit, but I don't think Apple can work higher. I think a lot of that news was because of the huge buyback they announced, and I think it'll roll over again. Wyckoff Wave growth index still locked in a sideways. Apple has helped out the performance here as well, including Amazon and Google and Netflix. Tesla's been the underperformer, but it also have had a good week or so here, but still sideways here, 48 on the technometer. So I still think we can pull back. The SPY, I had to sell there, on Friday, Monday. We're right slightly above those levels. Technometer is now back to neutral. But again, I think it's been a little choppy here. I think we'll see the downside again in the coming week, and then we'll evaluate the volume on that. TLT, I talked about it not acting well. Technometer was overbought. We're still up near overbought. We did have a rally on Friday. But again here, I think we're trying to make a low, but I don't think that's been accomplished as of yet. Crude, I was looking for lower last week. We did get that. Nice little sell-off here. Technometer down to 42. About as oversold as we have been since really all of this year. So I do think crude will find support here down at this 77.50 level, 77 level. And then I will want to be a buyer. XLE gave the sell up there, 98.08, which was close to perfect. Talked about a breakdown to 92.93. We did get that. 92.57, technometer down to 40, currently 43.4. So I do think this market is okay to re-enter, and I'll be looking to do that early in the week. GLD, a little lower than where I gave the sell back there on, I believe, on the 8th. So here again, I think it's some type of ABC correction. Nice little pullback, volume is low. So I think metals are trying to dig in here in a minute and head to recovery highs again. There's the gold and the silver, same type of thing. So we have had corrections as expected and looking to be a buyer. Dollar, I was talking about wanting to be short. Didn't really have a good sell setup, but we did have some selling coming in. Some good red bar volume there. Technometer 43. So again, I think the dollar has made a top and will continue lower. Bitcoin, I told you I was worried about further lower in an ABC. We got that exactly. And at patreon.com/learncrypto, we did give a buy at 58.2 on the Bitcoin. Also gave that buy to our pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com. We didn't get strongly overbought down there at that level, but I did thought maybe we were going to do a spring of that 59,000 level. So we did make that happen. This was a line that I was using. So it does look like we sprung that level. We have had a nice rally off of that. Even on the weekend here, we're back here at 64,400. So technometer is at 47, 48. So I do think we'll roll over here soon. Maybe take out this high here at around 64,750. And then maybe come back down and test that 60,000 level again, especially if we get some stock weakness. So got a nice trade on here, up about 6,000, but looking for some type of lower here soon, possibly. Bitcoin futures, not much else to add here. We are monitoring this because you will get some different setups on the futures versus the actual Bitcoin. Ethereum, same type of thing. We were saying buy that when Bitcoin traded 58.2. That got you long around 2,900. We're sitting here at 31.54. Same type of thing. Technometer 48.34. Probably going to be looking to take profits here and buy back cheaper. And Apple finally got me with the huge buyback. Apple obviously saved themselves with the huge buyback announcement. You can see we opened higher, closed lower from the opening, technometer 42, but again, I think that was a lot of hype there by Apple, and I think we'll continue to trend lower here on Apple. Have a great week trading and good luck.